The daughter of ink. I am the descendant of ink. Ink is my source of life. With ink I breathe. With ink I create. I create magic. I create statues that belong in museums, guarded by maximum security. Ones that are of abnormal creation, created by an abnormal creator. An invisible creator created with dark magic. Magic that made me an outclass. I am a royal daughter of ink, birthed from the kingdom and the uniondom of God, the Father and Mother of all mankind. I connect humanity and ink. I am the link from the afterlife of ink and mankind. There has never been anyone like me. The last ingredients were used to create me. I am the last hope of my ink forefathers. I will use ink to fight for my deserved place in the world. I am not self-entitled. I know what is mine, and I am coming for everything. I am the daughter of ink.
Johannesburg, 88.4. Johannesburg.
What is a poem? It is a hiding place for a poet. It is an untold story, an unsolved mystery, a puzzle full of razzle-dazzle. It defines identity. It's like a broom that sweeps away sin, a room that glooms with emotion and mean, a revolution in expression that entails word articulation. What is a poem? It is a hiding place for a poet. It is an untold story. It is an unsolved mystery, a puzzle full of razzle-dazzle. It defines identity. It's like a broom that sweeps away sin, a room that blooms with emotion and mean, a revolution in expression that entails word articulation.
Bloemfontein, 89.9. Bloemfontein.
A new world. It is bleak and no one there leaks because there are no tears left to cry. It's full of faceless faces. It's overshadowed by lost dreams and hopeless romantics. It's everything that was supposed to be that didn't be. It is a shattered mirror with different faces and expressions. A place where nothing but repercussions exist. Nobody wants to go there, but they all end up there anyway. The youth are victims of the country's lunacy, and everyone hears voices shouting, democracy. At the end of the day, there will be no judge except a lot of grudges, because all of us are paving a way to the new world.